What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
Tonight we are going to be making Copycat In-N-Out with their animal-style French fries and their Neapolitan milkshake.
All right, so we're gonna start with the fries. We decided to just go with the easier route and got frozen fries and preheated the oven, and so we're gonna get that going. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the fries in and let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes.
You cooking those onions, Ray Ray? Good cooking. Good cooking, silly guy. All right, we are going to start cutting our onion. The animal-style fries are topped with caramelized onions. So we are going to dice this up and then we'll start to caramelize them.
We preheated this skillet with a little bit of oil in the bottom, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're gonna mix that around so it melts down. Okay, so we've got the brown sugar melted down a little bit. We're gonna add our onions as neatly as possible. Not doing a super great job with that. Son of a gun. Okay, and just let those cook down, mixing around so they don't get coated in one spot. Okay, we added a little bit of salt and pepper, and these have been cooking for about 10 minutes. They should be dark brown like this. If any of you guys know the secret sauce from In-N-Out, that makes it. So we're gonna make our own version with mayonnaise, ketchup, and using all this. We're gonna do a price breakdown of all of our of this meal. And hopefully we'll try to get it down in the description box below. So we're starting off with equal parts of mayonnaise and ketchup. So about a couple tablespoons of each. All that noise. And a little bit more ketchup than mayo. Then we're gonna add some relish. So we just went with dill relish. We're gonna add about a tablespoon and a half of that. Then we're going to add a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar or distilled white vinegar, either will work fine. So just about a tablespoon of that. Okay. And then mix that up and obviously make it to your taste. Me personally, I love tangy a little bit more, so I'm gonna obviously have a little bit more of a vinegary taste to mine, but we might add a little bit more ketchup to make it a little bit sweeter, however you like it. Is that relish good, buddy?
Ray Ray, is that yummy?
And we're gonna finish off with salt and pepper to taste.
Is that better, Bubba? Just eating some pickles?
So we're gonna build our fries. Obviously you start with fries. It's a pretty important step for animal fries. So we're just gonna put a pile of fries on. Then we're gonna add the cheese. So the cheese then will melt from the fries, the hot fries, as well as the onions on the other side. So we, as you guys know, we don't always have sliced cheese like the typical In-N-Out. So we actually use Ray Ray's cheese snacks and just shredded that up. And so we're gonna add the onions on top of that. Try to spread it out so everyone gets a little bit. And then just add some of that secret sauce right on top. There we go. We got Copycat In-N-Out animal fries.
All right, you guys, we are going to make a Copycat In-N-Out Neapolitan milkshake. And so the secret to their milkshake is to make 3 separate milkshakes and then pour them simultaneously into the cup. So we are gonna start with vanilla, and we are just going to add a few spoonfuls of vanilla ice cream and then some whole milk. And then we are just going to blend it on our magic bullet. Just going to pour these in simultaneously. missed.
Me too. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye-bye.